Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. In last video, we have learned about division as repeated subtraction. Now we know what is meant by equal sharing and division is a repeated subtraction. Let's see the easy way to solve the division problems. In the homework, you have solved the question 39 divided by 3 using repeated subtraction. Means repeatedly you have subtracted 3 from this 39 like this. But it was a long process. Today let's see a easy way to solve the division problems. For example, 10 divided by 2 is equal to how much? So here we have to divide this 10 in the equal groups of 2. So for this, first write down 2's table here. 2 1's 2, 2 2's 4, 2 3's 6, 2 4's 8, 2 5's 10, 2 6's 12, 2 7's 14, 2 8's 16, 2 9's 18, 2 10's 20. Now in this table, find out where is 10. So where is 10? Here. Circle this 10. Now we know this is 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2 and 5 times 2. It means 2 5's 10. 2 5's 10. So the answer is 5. Let's see one more example. 14 divided by 2 is equal to, we have to find out. So again in this, here we have to divide by 2. It means from this table only find out where is this 14. So here is 14. So now say 2's table till 14. 2 1's 2, 2 2's 4, 2 3's 6, 2 4's 8, 2 5's 10, 2 6's 12, 2 7's 14. 2 7's 14 means the answer is 7. Let's see one more example. 18 divided by 2 is equal to, so where is 18? Here. So if we say the 2's table till 18, then 2 9's 18. So the answer is 9. Children, open page number 20 of your maths textbook. Here we will solve this question using the easy way. It means by writing the tables in the notebook, we will solve this. So let's see the question from this C beat. Let's see question number C. From that, 15 divided by 5 is equal to, we have to find out the answer. For this, write down here 5's table. 5 1's 5, 5 2's 10, 5 3's 50, 5 4's 20, 5 5's 25, 5 6's 30, 5 7's 35, 5 8's 40, 5 9's 45, 5 10's 50. Now in this table find out where is 15. Here. So 5 3's. It means answer is 3. Let's see one more example of this only. 40 divided by 5 is equal to, we have to find out the answer. So in this table, where is 40? Here. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 40, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40. It means answer is 8. So in this way, solve remaining question of C. Let's see question F. 3 divided by 3 is equal to how much? So here we have to write 3's table. So write down here 3 table. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. Now in this table, find out where is 3. So 3 1s are 3, or 1 times 3 is 3. So 3 1s are 3 means answer is 1. Let's see one more example. 12 divided by 3 is equal to how much? So where is 12? Here. So say 3's table till 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 4. So in this way, children, solve all these questions and you can do more practice of this. For this, you need to learn tables. Now for today, thank you.